Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Ring Neighbors account or close your access to the Community Safety Network, follow these step-by-step instructions to permanently remove your account and data. Step 1. Open the Ring app on your device and log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Account Settings from the available options. Step 3. Scroll down to find the Neighbors Settings or Privacy Settings section within your account settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Delete Neighbors Account or Remove Neighbors Access. Tap on this option to begin the deletion process. Step 5. The app will display a warning message explaining that deleting your neighbor's account will remove all your posts, comments, and profile information permanently. Read this carefully. Step 6. If you're certain about deleting your account, tap Continue or Delete Account to proceed. Step 7. You may be asked to confirm your decision by entering your password or verifying your identity through a security code sent to your email. Step 8. Once confirmed, your Ring Neighbors account will be permanently deleted. You'll no longer receive community safety alerts or have access to neighborhood activity. Step 9. Check your email for a confirmation message, verifying that your neighbor's account has been successfully deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.